You know, sometimes real estate agents are the ones who get in the way of a successful closing. Sometimes you have a very reasonable listing agent or perhaps buyer's agent with an unrealistic partner counterpart on the other side, and both buyers and sellers are pretty easygoing, agreeable people. And I think one of the biggest fundamental flaws in the real estate industry is real estate agents tend to get in the way sometimes of allowing a transaction's ebbs and flows to happen naturally. What I mean by that is, I like to say the first person that ever made a mountain out of a molehill was a real estate agent. Because sometimes these home inspections come back and there's a lot of little nickel and dime things, say on a 15-year-old home, and the real estate agents make a federal case over it, sometimes having the buyer withdraw from the transaction out of embarrassment because the real estate agent is the one telling them how foolish it is for them to stay in the transaction. Many times those buyers go back to renting and never even buy a home, and who's fundamentally hurt by that is the actual buyer who got frustrated because they kept feeling foolish by their real estate agent every step of the way because the real estate agent wanted to show how much they knew and what an expert they were. Guys, it's our job to facilitate these transactions and make sure that the seller that wants to sell sells it to the buyer who wants to buy. Unless it's a major structural issue wrong with the house, every house has little things that are wrong with it, and sometimes we just get in the way trying to show what we know. Step aside, stay in your lane, facilitate the deal, and help these people into homeownership, which is the long-term gain and their financial freedom by accumulating wealth by owning the house. Step out of the way and let's help the people close instead of discouraging them from closing. I'm Vincent Arcuri with Real Broker. Feel free to subscribe to this channel or follow me if you want more tips on how to be successful in the real estate game.